Located in California's Central Valley, Fresno is a hardworking city rooted in agriculture, resilience, and local pride. From farming supply stores and logistics hubs to barbershops, bakeries, and family-run diners, business owners here understand the value of keeping operations moving. But while the work never stops, access to funding doesn't always keep up. Many small businesses still face delays, credit restrictions, or overwhelming paperwork when trying to secure working capital. At New York Fast Funding, we offer a better way. If your business earns $10,000 or more per month and has been operating for at least 6 months, you may qualify for fast, flexible funding, with no hard credit checks and no unnecessary steps. Whether you're buying new equipment, hiring staff, or covering day-to-day expenses, we help Fresno businesses take the next step with confidence. In Fresno, businesses don't slow down. Now your funding doesn't have to either. Apply now at New York Fast Funding.